How to add friends on Heyday. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Heyday in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you have opened the Heyday app, you simply have to tap on the yellow button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And this will open up a new menu where you can manage your friends. Now next, on the left side of the screen, right next to Greg, you will see a book with a chicken icon on it. Simply click on that and it will bring up your friend settings. And now here is the important part. You will see a unique player tag right here. Mine, for example, starts with #QP. So your friends also have their own tag. So you will need to exchange them to send a friend request. And once you have your friends tag, type it into the search bar. And once you're done with that, you can simply hit on search and their profile will appear and you will see the option to send a friend request. You can simply tap on that and after they accept your request, you will be friends in the Heyday. And that's all there is to it. With this, if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.